Listen to that rain, baby. Storm's coming down hard tonight, but we got our own weather to make. Come here. Come here. Lightning flashing through the blinds tonight, thunder shaking up these bedroom walls, but all I hear is your breath on mine. Girl, you know what this moment calls. Candles flicker while shadows play around, your body moving close, temperature rise. Ain't no rushing, we taking our time now. Let me show you what this storm provides. She's twisted, tension building up so strong. Your fingers digging deep into my back. I'm strategizing where these keys to belong. Girl, I'm taking you off the map. Rain keeps pouring down outside these walls, pouring down, baby, we just getting started in here. Let me take you deeper when your body calls. Girl, I'm about to make you flood, crystal clear. Bad weather tonight, but we making our own storm. Hold tight, we falling, we falling deeper now. Girl, you pour and show me how. Bad weather outside. Lightning strikes when our worlds collide. Thunder rolling, body shaking free. It's the kind of storm meant to breathe. Yeah. Now I'm traveling down your coastline slow, kissing places to make you lose control. Your shit's calling up an low. Girl, I'm diving in heart and soul. Taste the sweetness dripping on my tongue. Your body speaking languages I know. Melodies turning to songs we sung. Girl, are you singing high? I'm singing low. It's moving like a wave crashing outside. We the boys if groovy, go with me. Your storm's brewing, I can seal the tide. Baby, let it go, don't fight the heat. The rain keeps pouring down outside these walls. Can't stop it now. Baby, you're the third I can't get now. Let me take you higher when your body calls.